everyone. I'm here to attend the contest Star of Your Company with iTech. I have been working on this project with my partner, Nguyen Hong Phúc, a senior student in 11 CIT, and me, Đoàn Thị Hoa Nghiêm, a member of 10th BRT2. This is my pleasure to be here to introduce all of you the IT service that is considered to bring the most potential from the workforce here. I choose the Web Design Center. To begin with, I would like to show the overview of my presentation. First is the reasons why we choose Web Design Center to be our profitable IT service. Next, I will introduce about the competitions. How can we defeat other web design companies? Then, this will be an overview about the marketing strategy and human resources. I think the human resources here is very important as it focuses more on the iTech student. First, look at these charts. You can see that there is no doubt that a website is profitable for any business company, despite the fact that they are profit or non-profit. This is the figure to show that the internet rate in Vietnamese has increased dramatically. According to the Organization of International Telecommunication Union, at present the figure of internet users in Vietnam is much higher than the average of Southeast Asia. Not only me, but all of you here, I think that you can easily come up rolling at least 9 reasons why a company needs a website. First, a website allows them to showcase the products and service. It's also building organizations and build trust for customers. Second, by integrating systems and automating certain tasks will lower the cost and save a lot of budgets. It also allows the company to build online communities. It may even be a segment that's given offline communities and is in powerful characters and 24/7 abilities. We can reach the market from local, regional, national to global. There's many examples like Nokia from Vietnam, Southeast Asia, and international. There's also many like communicate target customer, answer frequently asked questions, improve your branding. It's also a powerful sales tools outside the office. It spreads news and ideas. A good example is Nokia Lumina. Nokia spread its idea through its website, and it also communicates through the social network, Facebook or Twitter. Here I show you 2 of the most certified, amazing and beautiful websites in 2011. As you can see, there are applied many new technologies, 3D effects. This color scheme is scientific and comfortable to every user. These websites absolutely have a good sense of art that attracts customers. Additionally, there's information is updated frequently to contain their loyal customer. On the contrary, we have to face that the majority of Vietnam websites have trouble in both designing and contributing. In the designs, the color is boring. Sometimes they are too colorful, lack of contrast and balance. That really annoys the customer. No professional websites will make the customer have no trust. Information. There's no logical catering in the information system. Sometimes the information is out of fashion and untruth. The abuse of using many animations, too large picture or too many flash may result in the lost big connection. The missing function, like lack of searching tool, form filling, contact information system will also make the customer feel confused. In Vietnamese, the most problem is there's no standard of coding. That leads to the disabled for maintaining. In Vietnam, these days there are at least more than 30 companies, official companies about web design. So, what makes us different? I will focus on 3 fronts. This the design, cost, and maintenance. The design is considered to be the most attractive one to every customer. They can feel attractive and want to stay on the web longer as long as this web is designed is comfortable and attractive them. In the designs, I think that architect students, some of them really have sense of art. I can name some in my class. If we don't have enough resource, we can ask outside, like students in the arts university or arena students, ask for their help, we can hire them. And about the cost it was every future customer owner concerns most. They want the websites good, but the values must be reasonable. Fortunately, the source of this center basically from students. They're still attending university. Consequently, the cost is competitive and reasonable. About the maintenance, as all students in working in this center have trained to build a website logically, so that the maintenance is easier. The 3 ones I just named here is what we will bring the benefits to the customer. So now, look back as our center, iTech Center and iTech Student. We wonder that how this web design center will bring benefits to them. As many students during studying this program, they complain that they have very little chance to apply what they learn in the real world condition. So this is an endless opportunity for everyone, or not really, for every iTech student who willing to work for this center to have its working experience. Besides, no one can deny that this web design is a good choice to learn in a wide range of fields, have students to advance in a wide range of fields. In the technical knowledge, they will advance the knowledge, apply and advance the knowledge in programming language, database, designs, operating system. That is what they already have learned and have a logical thinking to learn by themselves in the future for the new technology. Besides that, they already learn about social knowledge in other fields like accounting, finance, business plan. If they work for a medicines or agriculture's websites, they will also have a chance to learn a little bit about that. What is more, IT Men's is lacking of soft skills, and this is a good chance to develop that, like dealing with customer, time management, teamwork, etc., and making profits. Every IT workers who want to enjoy these centers, they are looking for profits. This is a SWOT analysis about this idea. I already mentioned it's the strength, weak, opportunity, and risk. Overview that strength and opportunity seems to be outweigh the risk and risk. The strength, we have the workshops available, as I mentioned before. Moreover, students enthusiastic. They are willing to learn technology and to keep up with the development speed. Modern facility available in the iTech Center, like labs, computers, projectors, meeting room. We already have a software license. Unlike other companies, sometimes they use software illegally and it may damage their website. About the week, at the beginning time it's made hard as students lacking of experience. And in the first time, there's no standard for working process. We have to apply many things like a waterfall process, a spiral, to find out which is appropriate to the center. The opportunities, the most opportunities that we are in the University of Science and the iTech Center. So if this web design center was developed, they can use the repetition of those centers to ensure the image of the company. The trend of build websites from small companies and individuals currently in research. E-commerce, online sourcing, online payments is a popular trend now. Last but not least, the introduction of